Good morning, YouTube. This is Tori from Mr. and Mrs. and this was today's project. I took the 5 wreaths, the 18-inch that I got from Dollar Tree, and I made this arrangement for above the garage door. It's a double garage door. I could have went way bigger. When that was inside, it took up the whole island or peninsula. It looks small out here. Yeah, but inside it took up the whole thing. I just added these to the bottom of the lights to give them a more finished look. That's just the Dollar Tree mini tree. I threw some red and gold ornaments on it and gold bows. Here's this one that I threw on here just to tie in the red and gold a little bit. And the reason I chose red and gold is to tie in the front of the house on our abstract art piece. We have red and gold, so that's why we chose red and gold for the side of the house. The side of the garage, I should say. I cannot believe how many ornaments we used this year. Alright, have a great day. Like, share, subscribe.